Look at our front door. That's the thing with these storms. You get so much blowing snow, it's hard to tell how much it actually is snow. So I just wanted to start this video and say our thoughts and prayers go out to the families of the victim of the avalanche that happened at Palisades Tahoe this morning. I don't know a ton of details of what happened, but it sounds like it was the first chair at KT22. First time they've opened it this season, so I don't really know what happened, but obviously we're excited for snow, but obviously you hear something like that and it's quite devastating. So this storm so far has been super windy, and again, it started out a bit heavier, but obviously has turned to lighter snow. So all that snow is just getting pushed around immediately when the winds pick up. So should be interesting to kind of see what we get in the morning. Well, it is Wednesday, January 10th. It's about 5 in the morning. Got to get out early for work. So we're going to see, I think it was supposed to start blowing in here. Looks like, yeah, just a little dusting overnight, which is, I think, what was expected. And it's supposed to really ramp up here in about 2 hours. All right, we got out nice and early. We're on our way to work. This looks like it's just started to pick up a little bit here at about 6:30. Yeah, we're taking the dogs as well. They're getting dropped off. They're excited for doggy daycare. So this storm has come in a bit later than expected, and also looks a bit warmer because it's been snowing for the last 3 to 4 hours, but nothing's actually stuck on the ground. My car says 33 degrees. So interesting. Hopefully, as far as I could tell, it was supposed to be a bit more severe into the afternoon and evening hours. So we'll see what happens. Definitely, just as predicted, the winds are very strong with this storm. I think, again, topping out on the ridges around 100. They even said maybe up to 120 miles per hour. So one of the things that I did not really talk about last year, and one of the most unique challenges, in my opinion, to last season and the amount of snow that we had, was actually sometimes getting home from work some days, because we wouldn't know how much snow had actually accumulated on our street, and we never really got to plow that same day, or at least not until midnight or 2 a.m. the next morning. So we were always worried about getting home, and that was one of the interesting things with this storm that I was maybe worried about a little bit. But it looks like the storm has slowed up in its how quickly it started, so should be fine to get home today. blizzard conditions right now. All right, so it's 4:15, just leaving work, so it'll be interesting to kind of get out and actually have a look to see what the conditions are like. It looks like it's accumulated on the roads, maybe 3 to 4 inches at this point, but obviously I know it snowed a lot more than that, so we'll have a look when we get home. Penny, what do you think about all this snow? Bella! Hello, girl. Well, just tends to drift where it wants to, I guess. Right, Pen? Go inside, girl. Look at our front door.